Bonnie and Clyde, she gon' ride, zoom, zoom. And if I shoot, she gon' shoot, that's my real goon, yeah. That's my real goon. If I shoot, she gon' shoot, that's my real goon, yeah. That's my real goon. If I shoot, she gon' shoot. What's up with it, YouTube? It's your boy Ricco.
It's your girl Starr.
And today we will be doing
Cooking with Ricco and Starr, episode 1.
Episode 1. Star's gonna be teaching me how to fry fish. It's not catfish, but it look like catfish. It's the fish that I've been telling y'all about. So she's gonna be teaching me how to fry fish and French fries. What? Right? I ain't never fried fish or fries. Y'all stay tuned. We about to run to the store and grab the stuff, and we'll see y'all when we get back. Well, we'll see y'all at the store. Gotta cut some of the sound out because they keep playing all this loud music and we don't want to get copyrighted. YouTube will copyright you for anything. Oh, my bad, baby. Baby, stop. Stop where you are, ma'am. Put the bear down. Alright, y'all, we back. We had to go to Walmart, grab fish, fries, and fish fry. Yep. Alright. Where the fries at?
Fries in the freezer.
When you take them out?
Right when we get done with the fish.
Oh. Great value.
Right.
Alright,
So,
what I gotta do?
Okay.
What I need to do?
Okay. Turn this on. Turn it on. Put it in the middle. Put it on 9.
9? I don't see no 9.
It's in the middle, crazy.
Where?
Right there. Oh no.
Baby.
Here. Put it
On 8?
Yeah, you can put it on 8. That's fine.
You're not even recording me.
I am recording you.
Alright, so put it on 8, then what?
Let that get hot. It should get hot soon. And then get one of these. Get one of those Ziploc bags. Open this. And then put the fish fry in there. Just put half of it in there.
I'm supposed to open it like a bag of fish?
Yeah, it don't matter.
Baby, that ain't how you open it.
Baby, you can open it any way you want to.
It's just gonna blow my damn head when I open the bag. Baby, how you do it? You just pull this open?
Yeah.
Damn, my sister.
Baby. Lord. Rookie.
Yeah, it's not open it, and I feel like if I open it, it's gonna shoot everywhere.
Let me see. Look.
Just tell me how you normally, you obviously don't open it this way.
Let me see.
Here, let me do it.
See if you can tear it. Now pour like half of it in the Ziploc bag.
So I put it out?
Just half. You're not listening, dummy.
Is that enough?
Yeah. Dang.
What's the difference?
You don't want to put too much in there because we're going to be able to use something later. Crazy nut. Hard headed. You ain't even listening.
You need a rubber band or something?
No, just put it back in the box. I'll put it in the Ziploc bag when I get done. Okay, now, wash your hands. Wash your hands.
Like this, mama?
Okay. And cut the water off so you run the water bill up now. Okay. Now.
Hold on. I gotta make this shot. This one for Kobe.
Shot clock at 7. Bryant leads, falling away, puts it in! And the Lakers take a 1-point lead with 7.3 remaining.
Sit there right there. Get you a knife out of here. Get the knife.
Like that?
Yeah.
Alright, I need to use the trash can.
You can just sit in the sink for right now. Cut it open. And move it closer to you. Yeah, he don't know what the heck he doing.
I beat him up. Me!
By myself.
Internet bumping. Alright. Alright.
You took everything out?
Yeah, I'm gonna
Okay. Break them in half. The
Break
fish
the
was
whole
too big.
fish?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's right. Slap down the middle. Turn the other way so you can see it.
It's nasty.
Baby, just get it over with.
I'm doing it. I don't want to rip it and throw a piece of fish upside the wall. This is cruelty to animals.
Baby.
It is. Pulling them apart like this. You ain't do nothing to me.
You eat chicken and you eat fish. What you think they do to the chickens and the fish?
I'm done.
Okay.
Now what?
Now what you can do, you can pour that water out.
Like this, mama.
And then you can just sit, yeah, you can just sit there on top of it, yeah. Now, since you got your batter over here, yes you do. You're gonna have to put your hand on fish batter anyway.
Cross-contaminate. I ain't trying to get whatever they get, salmonella. What you get when you cross-contaminate food? So, it's something bad.
Okay, now, what you can do so you won't have to travel so far with the fish, take your bag of batter over there by the fish. You can put like 2 pieces of fish in there at a time.
Put it in here?
Yeah, and shake it.
Do I drop it or just let it flow?
Drop it in there.
Just drop it?
Not like that, crazy. Don't just,
I asked you.
not like that, slowly, crazy, nut.
I said, do I just drop it or do I just put it in? So just drop it, you know?
Drop it slowly, crazy, so you won't pop yourself with some grease.
Doing the mess. You didn't make yourself clear. Dishy. I said, do I just drop it?
Common
It ain't common
sense.
sense. I don't know how to cook. How I do it? I just lay
Okay,
it.
you want me to help you?
Just tell me what to do.
Just lay it in there a little fast, but not too fast.
Why are you moving back? Man, I'm scared.
Baby, come on.
Like this?
Yeah. Now get you another piece of fish and put it in the batter. While that's cooking.
Yeah, I don't laugh at me. I don't really like touching like stuff gooey like this and stuff. It's pretty nasty.
Come on.
So I put all over there.
He a big boy now.
Big boy.
I'm gonna put it in there.
Maybe this time I get popped with some grease.
Put it in there.
Like that. That piece sticking out.
So we got these.
Look. How does this use them?
Why you just use what?
Those.
Baby, you can't use these with raw fish.
Why not?
You have to use it when it's done.
Oh.
That's cross-contamination, crazy nut. So now what you can do is turn the oven on bake, hit bake, and then hit the up button.
What number?
We'll go down, really go down.
What
Go
number?
down all the way till you can't go down no more. I think you go down to 170. This is only to keep your fish warm, so when you cook fish and take it out the grease, you can put it on here, and then you can put it in the oven. You ready to take those out? Baby, stop playing.
So I just take them over.
Baby, put it on the thing.
The grease thing. I mean, like,
Okay, bring it closer to you. You can bring it like that to make sure. Yeah, take it out so you can get to the next one.
See, Sit on that like that.
Okay, and what you need to do with that fish?
What fish? Oh, put it in the oven.
Yeah. And look, the pan ain't even hot yet.
So what that mean? Don't put it in there?
Go on and put it in there. Crazy nut.
Crazy bacon cookies. Nice, man.
Don't think you a chef just because you in here frying fish.
For these nuts.
Da, 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 da.
Super nice, man.
I have to get that trash can out your way. Ah!
What? Let's see what everything. Wait! It's not time to get them out.
Look, do you know how to use these things? Why do you got that on? Take that off.
I'm hard to get out of this. Come on, little buddy.
All right now. Okay, that's probably enough. Yeah, make sure they're all in the grease.
Alright, well, the fish and fries are ready. As you can see, crispy, just like I like it. Extra crispy on mine. Got my Louisiana. Got some ketchup.
Some what?
Some ketchup, tomato ketchup. We finna go and wrap it up. We finna go eat, and then we gotta go to bed. We gotta get up and take the kids to school in the morning. But if you like this video and you think I did a good job, hit that thumbs up. If you think Starr did a good job teaching me, hit the thumbs up, like, subscribe.